Morning, everyone. It's Friday morning after a very rough week. It's about 8:55, and this is your video number 279, the pre-opening comment. Uh, Again, I'll remind you, if you like our work, please be sure to hit the subscribe button. The futures are having a fairly substantial bounce here. The Dow is up just short of 600 points, and Nasdaq is up 167, and the S&P is up about 68. That's roughly about a third on versus yesterday's loss. We have the oil bouncing a little up 30 cents. Gold is up $7. The bonds are down one, which is somewhat surprising. And with that, the US dollar is also about unchanged. Usually, when you see bonds going down, rates going up, you tend to see a little bit more strength in the dollar. But structurally, it's been bad for such a long time that the relationship doesn't necessarily work on a day-by-day basis. We had economic news this morning. Import prices were up 1% versus up 0.7%. That is somewhat inflationary, but certainly nothing overwhelming. Tom Pettifee from Interactive Brokers was on, and his concern is for these small retail brokers here because their average account size at Interactive is about 250,000. So while it is retail, it's not Robinhood retail, for example. And he made a comment about the extended market and the anecdotal evidence. And he kind of said what I said last night in my daily note and in the video. I said, it's never different. He said, it happens like it always happens. And so, just like I said last night, it's a matter of time. American Airlines is up a dollar and change, almost $2. They came out and said that their second quarter revenues will be down 90%. I think, that's not great news, but I'm going to guess that it has more to do with the overall market bounce than it does the American Airlines information. Boeing is up about 13. To put some perspective on that, it's 70 off the high, and right now it's up 13. So that's really not making a lot of progress. Apple, on the other hand, is just mid-range from the last couple of days. It made a new high a couple of days ago at 355, then touched 335 yesterday, and this morning is 343, up 8. So as I said, sort of right in the middle. Adobe beat on their earnings. The stock is up 21 from yesterday's close, or 5.6%. Lululemon missed and is trading down 3.6% at 298, down 18.05. Centene also is up 3, around 60 on improved guidance. There was a very interesting article last night that I read about Amazon, and it was by a JP Morgan analyst, and it was on Barron's Online. And the title of the article was 4 stocks that are not giving it up to Amazon. And those 4 stocks were Tractor Supply, Michaels, Walmart, and Target. But what I found interesting about it was that as they were explaining where the growth has come from Amazon, they also had a quote in there about what Prime members get in return for being Prime members. And the number was $860 a year of benefit, or roughly 7 times prime actually costs. So I found that kind of interesting. So we're going to have a bounce here. That's pretty obvious. Again, we're down from 3230 to touching 3000 yesterday, 2996, and we're taking back about a third of it. No way to know if people are going to want to hold at the end of the day going into the weekend. Have a good day.